Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro device, and now I can show you how to exit the recovery mode on this iPhone. To do it, firstly you need to unplug your iPhone from the PC and then just press firstly volume up, then volume down, and press and hold power. So try to do it. Volume up, press and release. Volume down, then press and hold power button. Press until you will see the Apple logo on your screen. If you don't see the Apple logo during the 10 seconds, so just release the power button, wait for about 5 seconds, and then press and hold power button again, but just power button without the volume and volume down. Then release the power when you will see the Apple logo on your screen. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye!